Hey everybody, it's meteorologist Brad Panovich with your Ski Southeast update. I'm in Breckenridge, Colorado, actually studying weather and climate, and more importantly at a ski resort, how it impacts ski areas. And the good news about this week's forecast, we're going into the big MLK weekend, big ski weekend, and we're getting ready for what might be the best pattern we've seen since really early December. But there's going to be a lot of wild swings here in the next 6 to 7 days until we get solidly into cold. But let me get right to the forecast for the upcoming big weekend. So obviously we're getting some snow here on Thursday evening into Friday. This system is really a kind of a fast moving system, not really doing all that much as far as size and strength, but it is bringing a burst of snow, and it's been a pretty picture across areas of North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, and Maryland. It's a pretty quick mover. It's in and out. There could be some lingering snow into Friday morning. And then we go into the weekend. So big weekend. I've getting a lot of questions about Saturday into Sunday. So let's go forward here. We'll just go through your weekend here. We're going to go through Saturday first. So let me get to Saturday morning about 7 a.m. So we've got this big storm approaching from the west. It's likely going to be rain early Saturday. There could be a little bit of snow up in West Virginia and Virginia into Maryland, but in North Carolina, this is going to be a rain event on Saturday. So this is Saturday about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, it's not all bad. It's a downpour here, but on the back side of this, Arctic air starts spilling in, and this is really cold air. Not only is there Arctic air, but there's going to be natural snow. So this weekend will be off to a wet and kind of warm start, but by the time we get to Sunday morning, let me go back here. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. So Saturday's wet and warm, but by 2 a.m., we're going to get a flash freeze. Really cold air comes in on the backside of this system. And if you look carefully, this is all snow with temperatures plummeting to single digits. So not only are we going to get natural snow, but the snow guns could crank up immediately. But boy, is it going to get cold quick. So if you're going to be skiing this weekend, you're going to need to plan for kind of spring type conditions on Saturday and then Arctic cold for Sunday and Monday, because it is going to be brutal. I mean, temperatures are going to be in the single digits and teens, and the wind chills are going to be below zero because the wind's going to be howling. Look at that snow, though. This is going through Sunday afternoon, so big burst of snow on Sunday afternoon that will linger because northwest flow will persist for a while behind the system, even into Monday. So for MLK Day, Sunday and Monday, cold temperatures, so ideal snowmaking. All the snow guns will be cranked up in the southeast, and also natural snow. So really good end to the weekend. So 2 out of the 3 days this weekend are going to be picture perfect. Now we get into a really cold pattern Monday into Tuesday, and then midweek we see a little moderation. But don't get fooled. This is just the beginning of a colder period moving in late next week. So we'll go towards the middle of the week. Wednesday into Thursday, we've got another strong cold front. This is another one of these Arctic fronts, which is going to have a little bit of rain on the front side, but another big burst of snow on the back side. But more importantly, huge pattern shift. This is going to take things to really cold. If the stuff coming in Sunday, Monday is kind of cold, the real cold comes in late next week into the following weekend. And this could be persistent cold. This is going into next Thursday and Friday into the weekend. We see a wave of low pressure develop along the Arctic front, so maybe a couple waves of snow possible next week, especially in North Carolina. I think we're going to see decent snows in the mountains. This will be into next weekend. So boy, the next 2 weekends could be really ideal. And this air mass behind it is so cold, every little disturbance is going to squeeze out some snow. As we go into the weekend, you could see this big Alberta Clipper type system coming down with all snow again. And just real quickly, just to show you, that is next Saturday. So I'm looking at the calendar, 26th. So 25th is going to be Saturday into Sunday. We get another big burst of snow in the mountains because of this Clipper type system. So the end of MLK weekend and next weekend are looking like amazing setups. And not only that, snowmaking will be likely almost this entire time. Look at that setup next weekend. This is the final weekend here of January, and this pattern looks to be locked in place into early February. Another Clipper system comes down with maybe even more snow the following week. Now, it shows rain there, but trust me, this is all snow here. The pattern overall is just the floodgates from Canada are opening up, and this is really going to set the stage for some really cold temperatures moving down into the U.S. Those are below zero readings coming down on the backside of this next system. So just an amazingly cold pattern shaping up for the southeast. So hopefully you can ride out this rain on Friday into Saturday, because I'm going to tell you what, starting Sunday and Monday, get ready for some big time cold and snow across the southeast. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the slopes. I'll be posting updates next week as this cold air moves in, and enjoy the skiing as always. Think snow, everybody.